Okay, APY is the annual percentage yield. A lot of banks like to use this. It's usually a little bit higher than the APR. It's just how much interest it's not how much interest, it's let me read. Annual percentage yield is the actual percent of a quantity increase in 1 year. So it's not for a compounding or periods like that. APY is always represented as a percent. So don't forget your percent symbol. And you only need to know the APR, the rate, and the number of compounding periods. That is all you need in order to calculate this. Okay. It's the same thing as basically using, let me see if I can remember this. Sorry, my mind's not 100% yet. Relative change, when we did relative change, same concept. All right, which I don't even know if we've done yet. Yeah. At this point. So APY, we're looking for this one. I'm going to do this one, then I want you to do it. A bank features a savings account that has an annual percentage rate of 5.1% with interest compounded quarterly. Those are the two things that I need. It doesn't matter about anything else, how much you deposited or anything. It says, what's the annual percentage yield for the savings account? Well, I'm going to use this formula. 1 plus the rate, 0.051, and it's quarterly, raised to the 4 minus 1. And then I go ahead and change your decimal to a percent by giving you the times 100. All right. So you could just do this times 100 equals. All right. I'm going to put the whole thing in. Parenthesis, 1 plus 0.051 divided by 4, close, caret, 4 minus 1, close, times 100 equals. And it's 5 point, now I think our class decided to go to 1 decimal place. So it's 5.2. Well, either way, it's 5.2. The APY is 5.2%. That is an acceptable answer for the exam. I will accept that. Okay, without having a sentence. I want you to pause the video and do the next one yourself. All right, and then come back and see how you did. I'm going to throw it out here real quick. APY is equal to, you've got to have 2 parentheses, 1 plus 0.028 divided by number of compounding periods monthly, 12, raised to the 12 minus 1 times 100. Putting that in. Open, 1 plus 0.028 divided by 12, close, caret, 12 minus 1, close, times 100 equals, and I got 2.8%. This is literally all you would do for this entire thing. That is all you're having to do for APY. And it's going to have just the same thing over and over and over again. So if you would like to go through more of this with me, I'm happy to do so, but that is truly all you need to know is the compounding, N is 12, and the rate, 0.036. The compounding, N is 2, 5.8 is 0.058. Those are the only two things you need for APY. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. You should be able to finish your homework now. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.